First time I meet there, I say go out. Yes, I mean, Mama, can't you call them on our behalf or just write them on our behalf? Don't work like that. Don't work like that. I'm my camera if you want me to. Our result! 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 What do we need? Our result! Our result! What do we need? Our result! What do we need? Our result! What do we need? Our result! Our result! Our result! What do we need? Our result! Our result! To go and check my phone, they are telling me that there is no biometric verification. That's why we are here, sir, to protest and know what is happening, what is going on. We don't know. We need that. Can you imagine that? I did my biometrics during my exam. Before I start my exam, I do my biometrics. You did it. I went to the JAMB office today. Now they said we should write application letter. And the way we are saying they are not that serious. They said we should submit 50,000, which we cannot afford. They were trying to call the police to block us and refuse. So that's why we are here to help us. We need our result. This is my father on
the JAMB results. We wrote to JAMB, not as if we didn't write JAMB. We went there, we completed everything, even our passport was there. Going to JAMB office now so that we can get our result. They are telling us to go back, write an application letter to which of the courts they said to go to Abuja. Later they drove us out. They are calling policemen to come and arrest us, saying that we must rewrite. Is it that we go home or we leave that same place? And we are here now to protest that they should give us our results. And they are saying for them to release this house, we are going to complete and pay 50,000 naira again.
To see our results.
We are going to wait and just go out of their place. And we don't have 50,000 to pay. We are waiting for our result. This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This one is the third time. And so we need our results. That's why we are here to protest.
Exactly. And they told us that there's no time. All of us shouldn't enter anymore. Because even now we finish our exam, we said we should go out to read. They said no, that the computer is just to verify and replace it.
Yes, if point that it does not matter.
So they are telling me that your result cannot be found due to biometric verification. So we want to see our results.
Before the exam.
Because my father to quit him, he must just get more. We should stop working. What this happens, we go inside, it doesn't matter. We have to go and write up the exam. I know they use that our printer, just our printer, in case of some application in the book, that's just working. Get in our already finished the exam now. We asked the man that we should stop with the guy. They said no, that we should go. Now we are showing our results. How you find our results? See that no biometric confirmation of our results. So I don't understand what's going on. Even if my parents said this, they do not know our results. Because they are tired. We want to effort. If you get into the JAMB office, that you might pay 50,000 naira for this, and if you have to so petty, later for what? We have to wait.
This is to show what happened.
I don't really know what's happening. It's against my results. I wrote.
and art student.
Pure art. And they gave me geography.
Instead of government.
No mistake was made. I wrote pure art in my JAMB examination. And when I tick everything, use of English, Christian religious studies, government and literature. When I went to check my results, I found geography. What geography is doing in my result, I don't really know. Make JAMB tell me what the geography they do in my result. I don't feel it. I want to go school.